Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now, you've probably seen this kind of design before, especially on old bike engines, water pumps, or even electric motors, these layered rib-like structures on the outside. But have you ever wondered why they're there? These are not just for looks. They're called cooling fins, and they play a very important role in keeping machines like motors and pumps from overheating. So let's start simple. Any machine that runs on electricity or fuel generates heat. In motors, heat builds up because of losses in the windings, core and bearings. If this heat isn't removed, it can reduce the motor's efficiency or worse, damage the insulation and shorten its life. In bigger motors, we often use fans or liquid cooling, but for smaller motors or outdoor pumps, fins do the job, and they do it well. So what do these fins actually do? Think of it like this. The more surface area you have, the faster you can release heat. That's what fins do. They increase the surface area of the outer casing so that heat can escape into the surrounding air more quickly. As air flows over the fins, either naturally or through a fan, it pulls the heat away from the metal. This is called convective heat transfer. If you look at water pumps used in agriculture or air-cooled bike engines like the old Bajaj Boxer or Hero Splendor, they've got these prominent fins. That's because they often run for long periods without much airflow, especially in rural areas. The fins help them stay cool without needing a separate fan. You might ask, why not just use a fan in all motors? Well, fans add cost, complexity, and moving parts. In rugged, outdoor environments like farms, fewer moving parts mean less maintenance. That's why fins are a simple, passive, and durable solution. So next time you see a machine with those ribbed designs, you'll know they're not just a design choice. They're a clever, natural way to manage heat. Cooling fins might seem small, but they make a big difference in performance and lifespan. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Explorer 31. And let me know in the comments, what should I explain next using 3D models?